Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm so happy to see a brand new day, and I thank God for it. I hope that all of you are having a great day, having a wonderful day. I just finished washing my face, and I just wanted to say good morning to you and pray that you have a great day, especially you subscribers, those of you that have been hanging with me from the very beginning, those of you that wake up in the morning and have me wake up in the morning to your wonderful comments. Thank you. And if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and join the Gene G family. I am getting ready to do my face. And when I say do my face, it's like I'm saying that I'm getting ready to use my Good Molecules products. I'm still using it. I'll be back. Good morning. I'm getting ready to go out to the salon. I have a couple of appointments today. As a matter of fact, after today starts my Christmas vacation, and I'm looking forward to it. Oh, yes, I am. I'm just wearing an orange sweater with turtlenecks and some jeans and my brown military style boots. And of course, it's cold outside, so I need a coat. This is a corduroy loft double-breasted pea coat. I'm already warm in this. I love this lapel, pointed just for me. I'm not changing my purse today. I just am not. So I'm just gonna throw on this Michael Kors crossbody and make my way to the place where I'm supposed to be. I do want to stop and get a biscuit and eat it before my client comes in. So I'll see you probably then. See you later. I'm gonna go ahead and do my 360 now so you can see my hair. Of course, tonight is my Christmas party, and I just want to warn you that probably none of the outfits that I've shown you thus far will go to that party. I have a few other things in mind. Thank you for watching. I am at Hardies right now. I was gonna go in the drive-thru, but the line's kind of long, so it looks like I can get inside and get out pretty quick, so I'm gonna try that. So I'm on my way in. Yep, she's here. I didn't know if that drive-thru was going to be quicker or not. It was. I can't complain. Cannot complain at all. Yeah. You got it locked?
I did.
Oh, okay, good. We all right then. Oh, yeah.
How you doing this morning?
I am doing well. I decided that I was going to run and get me something to eat before I came. Then I had to come back and circle the block so I could park on this side.
There was a whole lot going on out there.
You sure you need your hair done? Looks so good. I'm going to go ahead and close our door so we can get warm. Good evening. I am going to go ahead and take these braids out real quick, and I wanted you to know that I'm getting ready, getting dressed for the Christmas party. I spoke to someone who said that it was a casual Christmas party. So I hope that I've chosen the right kind of outfit and the right pieces to wear. I'm going to quickly take these out and I'll get back to you to show you what I am wearing. Yes. I wanted you to see this necklace though that I'm wearing. I really love it. It's really simple and somewhat blingy, and they won't even be able to see my earrings, but they'll be there. Okay, guys, so this is my hair for tonight. I think that I am halfway dressed for the party. I don't know if I'm going to show you my outfit in this video or in the next video. It depends on time. But this is my hair for tonight. It looks better than I expected it to. And I really, really love it. And I am going to do a 360 now so you can see my hair. This may be the last of the video. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He keeps proving himself over and over and over again. Yes, and I thank him for it. I really do. Have a great evening.